Hey everybody, once again welcome back to my channel. So today we will see that how we can hide taskbar in computer system, right? So for that, first we will go to then the taskbar section on the right side, and then we will click right here, and here will be the option of task manager and taskbar settings. So we will click on the taskbar settings, right? So when the taskbar settings will open, here will be the some of the options that we will have to explore. So here is the options of taskbar behavior. So we will click here and we'll see that some of the options, right? Like if you want to make the taskbar in the center, right or left, whatever, if you will choose the left, so it will come in the side of left, right? If you want to choose as center, so it will be in the center. And if you want to hide the taskbar, you can simply hide from here, right? But when you will when you will move your cursor or down, then your taskbar will visible, otherwise it will hide. So in this way we can simply hide our taskbar. If you want to hide, then you can hide. If you need any help for related to the computer system, then you can comment. Okay, so if you really
This video as a helpful, so please do thumbs up and do a valuable comment. Thanks for watching.